Happy Monday! So today the video will be, I'm going to give you 3, 4, 5 maybe exercise, mostly for your belly, and you're going to have to do those exercise like 2 to 4 sets of 8 and 16 repetition for each exercise. I want to work your core muscle. So it's gonna be only that. You can do the video anytime you want during the week. You can do it 2 times per day if you want, but you need to fix your own challenge. So if you want to do 2 sets of 8 repetition, you do, but you know you have to build a little bit. So I'm gonna give you the first one. So we're gonna go lie on our back. It's a classic. We keep our back flat, belly muscle contracted, one knee close to the chest, other leg long, and you don't want to touch the floor with your heel. So if you want, you can keep your head down, or otherwise you lift your head and shoulder, hold the knee close to you, inhale, and then exhale. Okay, you go like this. You want to feel your lower belly muscle contracted. So you go. And it's good for your sciatic nerves. And you go again. Okay? Then if you want to work a little bit harder, you go with your arms. Bring the knee close to your chest. This is number 1. Number 2. You're going to lift the legs, straight legs. It's okay to bend the knee a little bit. Okay, because sometimes it's tough. Toe pointed, hands behind your head, open your chest. So you're gonna go like this. Inhale, 2 choice. You go 1 leg at a time. Exhale, inhale, come up. Exhale, down. So you want to lift your head and shoulder and put your head down and lift the leg again. Or you can go both legs. And you go leg up, head down. Be careful for your back here. You want to keep your back flat. It's okay to feel that you have a little space between the floor and your back, but not too much. Number 3. So we go. We take, if you have weights, you can take weights or boîte de conserve or lata or books or bottle of water or wine. You choose. So you go like this, inhale, squeeze your belly, exhale, lift, and lift your leg, and you come back. So you want to bring your arms on the side and slowly come up. And you go again. And again. Okay, this is number 3. I don't remember. So next one. You come, leg up, knee bend, hands behind your head again, open your chest. What you want to do is to bring your opposite elbow to your opposite knee. And you come down and squeeze. And down and squeeze. And down again, and squeeze. And again, squeeze. And again, squeeze. And you take a pause. So the last one, you're gonna come on your knees. Okay? I want you to contract your belly muscle as much as you can. I want you to put your hands on the floor. You come into the downward dog. You lift the bum, you breathe in, contraction of your belly, and you go knee out. And on the other side. So you bring your chest in front. You work your upper body in the same time. Okay? come back into a sitting position with your leg crossed or your leg in front of you. We breathe and breathe out. And we go again one more time. Encore. And we go, stretch your belly and back. Think to keep your arms in line with your ear, chest open. One more. And we go, hands together, long arm. Lift your arms while you're exhaling. Breathe. And let go. Hold the shoulders back. Bring your shoulder blades together. And then hold front. You want to keep your back round. You want to keep that like a sloppy Joe style. And relax. Let's go on our knees again. So you want to do the cat-cow pose. Hands on the floor. You breathe in. Lift your chin. And then you breathe out. Push. Back, round, round, round. Inhale. And exhale. And we do one more. I really like this one. Hein? Le baby dog. Alors le chiot. On allonge les mains devant. You bring your hands in the front, your arms. Push your bums back. Inhale, and then you look down at the floor, and while you exhale, you stretch. So you want to keep your arms long, and you want to bring the chest close to the floor. This is good, good, good. And slowly, you come back sitting position. You want to sit to be comfortable. So you're gonna, I don't have any elastic. So you're gonna relax, you're gonna breathe. So I wish you a nice Monday, a nice week. I see you next Monday. I'm gonna give you some little surprise during the week, but you do this and the other one if you want. And I wish you a very, very, very good day. Thank you.